Hello, I'm in a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE, and I'm going to show you today how to connect and disconnect a Bluetooth device, typically your phone. So if your display looks similar to this factory, then this tutorial should be helpful for you. So first you're going to turn on or into the on position your vehicle, and then this will take just a few moments to boot up. In the meantime, you want to make sure you have your device handy with the Bluetooth on, and then get to whatever screen on your phone that will let you connect new devices. So we're there on my phone. So then from the main screen, you're going to hit audio, and then depending on what this screen looks like, it'll be like that or Bluetooth. You want to make sure you're in that. And then we'll select device. In this case, we're adding a device. So we're adding. So now you're going to take your device and then search for new device. And we'll see Toyota Corolla pop up. Here we go. And then it's going to have some random digits here that should match your screen, which it does. So you hit pair on your device. That's it. That's how you sync it up. And then now to delete the device, you want to make sure you're back in here in the screen, and then we'll select device. And then whatever you want to delete or keep. So we're going to remove. And we're just going to remove the same one we just connected. Asking to confirm, yes. It takes usually just a moment. That's it. Device removed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if able. And otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.